The original SCX-10, it used to be an AX-10, I think originally, but who knows how many parts have been through it. Goat made me this sweet cage. It's had a couple hard bodies through it. And this is the 1800 kV axe setup. Some sort of old high torque servo. Today's adventure is the fight against trail clog. We made a course that's wider flags, and most of the flags aren't really on an obstacle, so you can pick and choose your way through the tougher spots and find your own adventure, as they say. But it loops all the way around the flat rocks back up into the woods again. We're gonna go for a run a little bit with my classic SCX-10, the original one with the hard cage. Sick. But nerding's going down. Flares. What'd you do to that thing? Boggers and fender flares for days.
Yeah,
Let's go find the start of this thing. I think it's over here. I got my scale squeak. There's Johnny C and Tiny C. Oh, did you guys get too much shelf dust? Yeah. Too much shelf dust breakdown. I can see people in the gates up there, so we're gonna take our time getting there. Because this next section is pretty easy.
Sure.
Thanks. It's all right.
Hold it, Charlie.
Hold it, Charlie.
Let's touch trucks. Is it winch time?
Yeah, I think it's winch time. Rich is gonna winch me? So scale, bro.
I'm not even gonna winch you.
You're just gonna tug me. Yeah, just do the tug. Can you tug it lower? Like from under? Yeah, right down there. Oh, suck.
Tug on this side. We're rolling right into the water. Right into the water. You ready?
Ready. Oh, terrible driving, terrible driving. We're going full scale, folks, full scale. Making our own trail clog.
There we go.
Jeez, it's in there.
This way, Charlie, this way.
Thanks. Thanks, Rich. It's a good thing my grill's adjustable.
Good thing.
Oh, watch out. Rich says it's poison oak.
That one right there. Yeah.
I thought...
That's poison oak. All that on the tree, all that bush with no leaves.
Well, here, you drive down there and I'll follow you. Yeah, you can actually bypass the whole section, look. I'm bypassing. Spaceship, spaceship, spaceship. You see the spaceship just come through here?
Beam me up, Scotty.
Oh, we should have did what Rich did. That was the smart thing to do. Go around. Hey, man.
I suck now.
Who sucks now, Red Black Truck?
Where are you going?
I'm trying to get up this rock.
Go up the rock.
I'm trying.
You gotta drive it into this rock to pivot corner down. More driver, more driver, more driver. There you go. Now pivot. Keep going. You got it.
Yeah.
You learned that line like 7, 8 years ago. Oh, you did a full 180.
Stupid.
No. Safe, ready? Way to drive out of it.
That was sick, dude. Dude, I downsided it, bro. Oh God, that's not what I wanted to do. I'm doing a reset. There's a water line I want to try.
Water line.
Oh man, that's deep.
There's a rock in there you gotta hit.
I'm trying. There's a rock in there you gotta hit, he says. Wise ass.
Nice.
Scale. So scale.
Up and bank it in.
Bank her in there, dog. Bank her in there. Put her in high. Put her in high. Woo! Almost got her. Do her again. Yee-hoo!
More good times. You need to give her more good times. Yeah.
Give her the loud pedal.
Like to hover the back tire.
Jeez. That's so scale, bro. He's got a what is it? A 87,000 pound winch in full effect.
That way we just know we don't have any problems with the back tires.
They don't get hung up on anything. So scale, bro. He took off and his wheel fell off. That was sick. What's become my favorite part, or a bit of a tradition, truck wash. The truck gets pretty dirty and gross, so find a clean spot, go drive in the water. It looked like it floated.
It was.
That was sick. That's great. Oh, a signal. The receiver's in the nose. It doesn't like it. Oh, that's deep, dude. Well, maybe you can land on the shallow and drive out.
Oh. I love signal. Oh, it smells like fish.
Look at the bubbles coming out.
What happened? I broke something.
I don't think my servo's very happy right now.